We wanted to bring together technology to transform innovative thoughts into practical, affordable, and scalable solutions in K12 education.
In 40 years of teaching, I've individualized learning, I've differentiated learning, and now we're personalizing learning. But finding that balance when choosing what technology to use with learners.
It's really all about culture. Culture eats strategy for lunch. If your culture is broken, you can't fix anything else.
That's where learning can happen when you have a passionate relationship with what is being learned. The concept of building safety without safety.
Your voices are heard and can make a difference. That culture is just important to build it where it's more collaborative. Each person's ideas are respected and they're valued.
The ideas that flow from participation have to be properly resourced, either financially or through sufficient human resources.
And so policy pops into my mind, and the impact that policy or the lack of policy around this area of personalized learning and what our thoughts are could really derail that quickly.
School culture that is not working, there's usually a lack of communication or not good communication or not healthy communication.
And if you take that choice away, just like how they learn differently, some of them can learn really good with videos, some of them got to read.
So when you think about this conversation we've had, the question posed right now is what is possible?
And how do you create those experiences that take them deeper into personalized learning?
But it seems like we have skipped something really important, and that is the why.